In today's video, we're diving into the world of ChatGPT prompts and uncovering 5 magical prompts that can supercharge your productivity. If you're ready to unleash the power of AI, let's get started. First up, let's explore how ChatGPT can help you plan your day effectively. With a well-structured to-do list, you can tackle tasks and stay on track. Here's the prompt that I use every day. Help me create a to-do list for the day with the following tasks. List out all your tasks just like this. Then let ChatGPT work its magic and create the best and most effective day planner for you. We all want our writing to be flawless, and ChatGPT can lend a helping hand. It's an expert at identifying grammar, spelling, and punctuation mistakes. To leverage ChatGPT's proofreading abilities, use this prompt. Can you proofread the text for spelling and grammar for the following? And then enter your text and let ChatGPT do its magic. It will swiftly identify and correct any errors, leaving you with polished writing. Complex topics can be daunting, but ChatGPT can simplify them for you. Break down complicated statements into clear and simple explanations. Try this prompt. Explain to me, insert the topic you want an explanation for, in this case, how social media marketing works, followed by, as if I am a 5-year-old, ChatGPT will provide you with a simplified and easy to understand explanation, making complex concepts more accessible. This could be really helpful if you're a college student. Being a content creator is both exciting and challenging. Now we can leverage ChatGPT to create captivating content for social media with creative and trendy ideas. To generate engaging content, use this prompt. I need content ideas for YouTube about the ChatGPT prompt. ChatGPT will generate a range of creative ideas that you can use to keep your social media followers hooked. Personal development is essential for growth, and ChatGPT can provide valuable insights. Customize its suggestions to align with your unique circumstances. Let's develop a personal development plan using this prompt. First, describe your personal development goals and challenges. For example, I want to develop a healthy lifestyle by working out more and improving my social life while struggling with social anxiety. Then add, how can I create a personal development plan to achieve these goals? What steps can I take? ChatGPT will provide you with a tailored plan to help you embark on your journey of self-improvement. Remember to use the GROW framework to help you to embark on a journey of self-improvement to achieve your goals. There you have it, 5 magical ChatGPT prompts to boost your productivity. If you found these prompts helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments and stay tuned for our next video.